Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this layered 3D noise effect in UE5 and this is the reference I followed from the Twitter. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter here. My handle is CGHOW underscore. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. And let's start this tutorial.
CGHOW. CGHOW.
First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel and also click on bell icon so you will receive all new video notification. So as you see here, the reference I have already commented. I'm gonna try this in UE5 4 hours ago, and now I got time, so I created this, and I have already some tutorials similar to this effect. If you'll find on my YouTube channel CGHOW, if you'll find noise, you'll find this tutorial layered 3D noise. It is almost the same thing, but this is just a sphere and box, and here in this case these are, you can say, planar or box, like um, with thickness, planar with thickness, you can say. So this is what I created. This is already I have created, but I created again from scratch for you. So let's close all these tabs and create new folder, and I'll put this original effects on my Patreon so you can download. So first you need a mesh. So in Maya I have this mesh that I imported, and what I did actually, you need to create a box because in the reference it has slightly thickness, it is not planar. So I used a box, and then in here I can increase the height maybe 10, depth maybe 20, and width maybe 0.1, 0.2. Okay, then I can increase the segments only depth because noise will work like this. So I just need this text, and you can make it high poly if you want for smooth result. Then move it up so your pivot will be here down. And then in the UVs, this is the box UV right now. I want a planar on this axis on X. So here planar, and on X axis just project. So you will have a planar UVs. So just export it and make it as high poly as you want, and then import it in Unreal Engine. I have already here. Okay, let me remove the material. Let's use this one so you can see. This is the material. This is the mesh I have, and you can see the UV straight. Okay, so now in this new folder I'll create a material M noise, and I'll just stop this, and I'll create a FX again, fountain. Okay, so in this M noise I will preview this mesh here, and you can take a noise 3D if you want, but I'll use a noise texture. So I'll just take a blurred noise like this, and if I preview this, this is the blurred noise, but I need it from the top. Okay, so I'll take the world position and shift C for mask, and I'll take the green and blue, and then multiply again for tiling. I'll take a dynamic parameter here. This is my tile. Okay, then a panner and connect it here. So panner speed, I'll just put random value. Okay, so now I want this thing, this noise is only effect of the top part of this mesh, not bottom. So I'll take the texture coordinate, shift C for mask. I'll take the green channel if I preview. Then I need to invert this, so black will be down, then a power node, so I can manage how much gradient I want. Then I'll multiply these together. Okay, so noise will only work on the top part. Then I'll multiply it with only z value. So I have this 3 vector and only z value, I'll make it 1. Then again you can multiply it to boost the value, or you can increase this 1 to maybe 100, but I can use a multiplier. Let's say 50 for now, and this will be well position offset. Then for the two colors, bottom is pink and green is up, so you have this gradient. So what you can do, you can take the particle color and take a lerp, use this gradient and use the particle color, then invert it, or you can choose other thing. You can, let's just connect these like this, and this will connect here, or you can also connect it in emissive, but I will multiply it with the lower value so it will not bright very much. So we have almost done. Okay, so now let's save this. Okay, okay, and now in this folder I have this Niagara. So I'll remove this, I'll take a mesh, and my mesh will be that same mesh, this one. I'll use that. And then this new material, I'll use this here, override material. Okay, I don't need these for now. I'll remove these all. And I just need particle burst, maybe 50 or 100 particle. Let's say 50 for now. And only spawn once, and life will be infinite. And let's say your size of mesh is uniform for now, and maybe 10. So you have this mesh. Okay, and I'll change the color to red, and it will automatically invert the color. Okay, so you have this color now. So now I'll select this emitter and search here position, drag your position in the update, or maybe you can drag it here in the particle spawn, doesn't matter much. And now this axis, x-axis I want, so I'll make a vector of this, then break this, then multiply the x with execution index, and if I'll increase this value, it will make an offset, and how much offset you need. Okay, then in the dynamic parameter, you have this tile 0, let's make it 1, or 5, or let's make it 1. Okay, and now in here, let me check why it's not much working. So we will make a dynamic parameter for distort also, and yeah, that's it. I think that will work. Let's save. So now in here we have, if I refresh, we have this distort. It is working. See, but see, the noise is like same on each. So you can do lots of things. You can randomize tiling, you can randomize time. Like you have this tile, you can multiply this tile with execution index again. And if I put the value like 101, see, we can do lots of things. So that's up to you what you want to do, like this, or you can do one more thing, like your tiling is 0.01. So in particles you can offset here. So if I add a value here, that will offset, so you can use that offset per particle. Save this. So now you have this, if I refresh, this offset. Okay, and you can multiply it with execution index. So now you can see you have cool pattern, and you can increase particles, like make it 100. Cool. So that's it. You can play with the noise now, the tiling, anything you want to play. You have this layer 3D effect. That was easy, and I'll show you my original one. What other thing I done here? So Control E to edit this. So here I have just 100 particles, and life is infinite. I'm offsetting on x-axis, and in dynamic parameter I have tiling x y separately, but I have the same value, so it doesn't matter. Then I have a time and I have offset, and let me show you the mesh is same, and let's see material. So material, I'm using the same noise texture. I'm using the same thing here. I'm offsetting, but I'm also using this time for the panel, and here I have this time little random. Okay, and then these things same, and here instead of 1 I'm using 60. I'm not multiplying it, and rest of the thing is absolutely same. So this is my result. So I hope you liked it, you learned something new. So thanks for watching, keep learning, and bye bye.